If you've ever dreamed of waking up to the smell of fresh homemade bread without lifting a finger, then you're in the right place. Bread makers have gotten smarter, sleeker, and more powerful than ever. And whether you're on a budget or looking for the Rolls-Royce of bread machines, I've got you covered. From compact countertop heroes to full-on luxury loaf masters, we're counting down the top 5 bread makers of the year. And trust me, number 1 will blow you away. So before you spend a dime or settle for stale supermarket loaves, watch this list, because the perfect bread machine might just be a few minutes away. All right, kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Hamilton Beach Artisan Dough and Bread Maker. And if you're looking for a solid bread machine without breaking the bank, this one seriously delivers. Priced at around $129, it's the kind of machine that gives you all the essentials without the fancy extras. You get 14 programmed settings, including options for gluten-free, French, whole grain, and even jam. It also includes knead-only and rise-only functions, which is super handy for folks who like to have a little more control over their baking process. Plus, it has a delay timer so you can wake up to the smell of fresh bread in the morning. Yes, please. What's really cool about this one is how easy it is to use. The display is straightforward, the buttons are super user-friendly, and the non-stick bread pan pops out easily for cleanup. It's not the most compact machine, but it fits just fine on most kitchen counters, and it's got a sleek black and stainless design that looks more expensive than it is. Whether you're kneading dough for pizza night, baking cinnamon rolls on a Sunday morning, or trying out banana bread for the first time, this thing has your back. It even has an audible reminder to add mix-ins like nuts or chocolate chips. Now let's be real, you're not getting the most customizable experience here, but that's not the point. You're getting quality, reliability, and ease of use. For under $130, it's a total steal. Perfect for beginners, college students, or anyone who wants homemade bread without a huge investment. If you're new to baking or just want a reliable, no-fuss machine that consistently delivers tasty results, the Hamilton Beach is a budget champ that punches way above its weight class. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker, which is absolutely perfect for couples, singles, or small families. This one retails for about $210, and while it's compact in size, it's packed with features that Zojirushi fans swear by. It bakes a 1-pound loaf, ideal if you're not feeding a crowd, and the quality of the bakes is consistently top-notch, with that signature soft, fluffy interior and golden crust. The size is one of its biggest selling points. This little guy is perfect for tight spaces or minimalist kitchens. At just over 9 inches wide, it's small enough to store in a cabinet or leave out without dominating your counter. It's whisper quiet while kneading, and the crust it delivers? Golden, crisp, and evenly baked every time. Plus, the settings include soft bread, French bread, dough, and even cake. So it's not just a one-trick pony. It even lets you choose between regular and firm crust textures. And thanks to the 13-hour delay timer, you can set it and forget it till breakfast. Seriously convenient for busy mornings. Another thing I love is how beginner-friendly it is while still offering advanced performance. Zojirushi is known for its durability and precise baking tech, and this model is no exception. The included manual and recipe book are super helpful, with tested recipes that turn out great on the first try. It's ideal if you bake often, but don't need huge batches, or if you want to experiment with fresh, preservative-free bread in smaller quantities. For around $200, it's a compact powerhouse that consistently churns out delicious results without taking over your kitchen. At number 3, say hello to the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker, your new best friend if you're short on counter space but big on bread cravings. This one usually goes for around $120 to $140, and it's a great option if you want a mix of performance and convenience in a slim design. It can bake up to a 2-pound loaf and includes 12 pre-programmed settings for everything from white to whole wheat, gluten-free, artisan dough, and even jam. So, whether you're craving rustic sourdough or a sweet raisin bread, this machine has you covered. What really makes this machine shine is the vertical build. It's tall rather than wide, which means it fits nicely even in cramped kitchens. It's ideal for apartments, RVs, or anyone trying to conserve countertop real estate. The LCD display is easy to read, and the lid has a little viewing window so you can sneak a peek at your dough without lifting the top. Also, it's got 3 crust settings: light, medium, and dark, so you've got a bit of flexibility depending on your mood. You can even use the bake-only setting if you've already mixed dough by hand or with another machine. And the performance? Surprisingly good for the price. The kneading paddle does its job well, mixing ingredients evenly and thoroughly. And the bread texture is consistently soft and fluffy inside with a golden, crisp crust. It also has a rapid bake option when you're in a hurry and don't want to wait hours for your loaf. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick pan, and the included recipe book gives you a great place to start if you're not sure what to make first. If you're all about compact living but don't want to sacrifice quality, the Cuisinart is an awesome mid-range choice that brings a lot of bang for your buck and won't let you down. Now, if you're ready to go all in and treat yourself, number 2 is the Breville Custom Loaf, a high-end beast of a bread maker that truly does it all. This beauty costs around $300 to $330, and yes, it's definitely a luxury pick, but it's packed with features that hardcore home bakers will love. We're talking a smart LCD interface, 13 automatic settings, and even a unique automatic fruit and nut dispenser that drops add-ins at just the right time. It's those thoughtful extras that make the experience feel truly premium. There's also a pause function, which lets you stop mid-cycle if you want to shape the dough manually or make quick adjustments. The build quality here is top tier. It has a brushed stainless steel finish that looks stunning on your countertop, and the internal smart technology adjusts temperature and baking time for flawless results. You can bake 1 to 2.5 pound loaves, and it even allows for custom recipe programming. So if you've got a special family recipe, you can save it and reuse it anytime. The included instruction manual is loaded with recipes, tips, and even troubleshooting tricks that make learning the machine feel effortless. Plus, the large viewing window and interior light let you monitor every stage of the baking process without lifting the lid. There's even a backup power feature, so if the power flickers during baking, your bread won't be ruined. But here's the real flex: the collapsible kneading blade. It mixes the dough and then retracts before baking so you don't get that annoying hole in the bottom of your loaf. Genius, right? Combine that with the machine's ability to adjust for altitude and temperature changes, and you've got a device built for versatility and precision. If you're serious about bread making and want a machine that's smart, reliable, and built like a tank, the Breville Custom Loaf is absolutely worth the splurge. It's the kind of investment that transforms homemade bread into a true gourmet experience, and it'll make you feel like a pro even if you're just starting out. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. Hands down the best overall bread maker. This one runs around $360 to $400. And yeah, it's an investment, but once you taste what it can do, you'll get why it's a favorite among serious bread lovers. It's got dual kneading blades and dual heaters, which means your bread comes out evenly mixed and perfectly browned every single time. Whether you're baking a quick sandwich loaf or going all in on a weekend sourdough, it delivers consistent excellence. One of the standout features here is just how much control you have. It includes 15 settings, including gluten-free, multigrain, sourdough starter, and even vegan options. You can also create up to 3 custom programs, giving you full flexibility over kneading, rising, and baking times. A game changer for serious bakers who love tweaking their recipes. Plus, the large viewing window, easy-to-use LCD screen, and programmable custom recipes make it a dream for anyone who loves to experiment. The horizontal loaf shape also mimics store-bought bread, so your slices are perfect for sandwiches or toast. But here's where it truly earns the crown: consistency. Whether you're baking white bread, sweet bread, or artisan-style loaves, the results are just chef's kiss every time. It's quiet, efficient, and incredibly durable. Zojirushi didn't hold back on this one. The interior parts are built to last, and the machine's overall performance stays solid even after dozens of uses. If you want a bread maker that delivers bakery-quality results without the hassle, the Virtuoso Plus is the absolute gold standard. It turns your kitchen into a full-fledged bakery, and you might never go back to store-bought again.